This is a used lower unit that came in from eBay, and they told us it needed some seals. So he said, "Hey, if we need some seals, that'd be fine." That's what we got out of the bottom, and that's all salt water. Had no oil in it at all. This doesn't turn, and that's got to turn to make it shift. So we were just evaluating it. You can see down there, that's just all salt and corroded. We were trying to just get the water pump base off. That's all salt. And that's corroded in there. So we actually just trying to get that out, and it's just, we're not going to be able to get it out. We're not going to be able to do anything with it.